Hi everyone. Today we have GK class. On every Saturday we have GK class and my children are here. They are divided into two groups. This is group A and this is group B. So now there will be competition who wins. Let us see. So friends, enjoy with them. Let's ask them. So we will begin the question from this side. Rahul, show your face. And Sandeep, show your face. Okay, now tell me, what's the capital of Andhra Pradesh? Say louder. Correct answer. Got 3 marks. What's the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? Itanagar. Correct answer. What's the capital of Assam? Correct. What's the capital of Bihar? Very nice. What is the capital of Chhattisgarh? Raipur. Correct. What's the capital of Delhi? Okay, correct. Delhi only. What is the capital of Gujarat? Gandhinagar. Capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. What is the capital of Goa? Panaji. Super. What is the capital of Haryana? What is the capital of Haryana? Haryana, Chandigarh. What is the capital? Correct answer. What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Shimla. Very nice. What is the capital of Karnataka? Bengaluru. Correct. What is the capital of Kerala? Thiruvananthapuram. Very nice. Okay, now what is the capital of IJKL? Maharashtra. Mumbai. Correct answer. What is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? Bhopal. Madhya Pradesh? Bhopal. Correct answer. What's the capital of Manipur? Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Pass. What is the capital of Manipur? Imphal. Correct answer. Now they will. So capital of Manipur, Imphal. What is the capital of Mizoram? Aizawl. Very nice. Capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. What is the capital of Nagaland? Nagaland, Kohima. Okay. What is the capital of Odisha? Bhubaneswar. Correct answer. What is the capital of Punjab? Chandigarh. Correct answer. What is the capital of Rajasthan? Jaipur. Capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Raja ki jai jaikar hota hai. Okay. Okay, now. What is the capital of Sikkim? Gangtok. Correct. The capital of Sikkim is? Say it louder. Gangtok. Okay. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Chennai. Very nice. What's the capital of Telangana? So this group is keeping quiet. That means they don't know. Let's pass the question to the next group. What's the capital of Telangana? Hyderabad. Correct answer. Now it is Telangana. Then what is left? What's the capital of Uttar Pradesh? Lucknow. Correct answer. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? Don't know. This group does. Wrong answer. What's the capital of Uttarakhand? Dehradun. Correct answer. Only one person is giving answer. Why are you keeping quiet? You have decided he will give answer. Then what? You also can give answer. Okay. Okay. Anyway. Now, what's the capital of West Bengal? Kolkata. Now, tell me, which is the biggest state of India? Rajasthan. Raja का स्थान हमेशा बड़ा होता है. Yes or no? So king. Raja means king. So king's place is always bigger. So Rajasthan is the biggest state of India. What's the smallest state of India? Goa. Very nice. So good answer. Now you tell me, what is the most populated state of India? Most populated means many people live in that state. Wrong answer. UP. Correct answer. One is giving correct answer. You will get 2 marks for this. Okay. For second answer, I give 2 marks. So UP is the most populated state. Now you tell me, what's the least populated state in India? Sikkim. Correct answer. So super. Let's clap for everybody. So my children are very happy and they've enjoyed today's GK class, and now we will be learning some new GKs. If you have liked our videos, please like, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.